Let's call your attention to the market, because if you kind of skipped out for a couple hours because you woke up, 9:30 comes Eastern time, the market opens, just goes down. Dow's down 707. You get it, you tune out. Guess what? Things have really come around. I'm not going to say today's a good day, but Dow's down 314, which at that price point is only 0.8%, halfway off its lows. And in fact, 11 Dow stocks are higher. Boeing is higher. Even Intel. That goes to our next guest here in a second. Sitting next to me, even Intel is higher today. About half the NASDAQ 100 is also higher, by the way, led by AstraZeneca, Marvell, not the superhero thing, the semiconductor company. Tesla's higher, Keurig, Dr. Pepper. So it was a pretty ugly day, late morning, but buyers have come in. Not going to say a good day, but still, we are well off our lows. So let's talk about the aforementioned Intel. We know it's been a rough year. Stock's down about 30%. You got earnings out tonight. Stock's higher into the print. Stacy Rasgon of Bernstein Research lives out on the West Coast. He's in the Pacific time zone. Never been here for TV at the NYSE.
Right. That's right.
So I love being the first. So, Stacy, good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
No, I had nothing to do with it, actually. It's the entire production team. But it's good to see you here. Okay. Intel.
Yes.
Rough year, but what's the one or two things you're going to look at the most tonight?
Yeah, look, so Intel has had a rough year, and we kind of understand why. And
well, Intel investors have had a rougher year.
They have. It kind of goes hand in hand. I mean, look, so I will be honest, I don't exactly know what to do with the stock. We've mellowed a little bit on it. We upgraded it last year. As you know, we've been fairly negative for quite a while. And look, last year, I mean, they just slashed the dividend and gross margins were starting with a 3. And it was at book value. It couldn't get much worse at that point.
Yeah.
And it's come up a little bit since then. To be honest, I don't really know what to do with it, though. PCs right now are still fairly anemic. We'll see what that looks like into Q2. Servers, maybe at the end of the day, maybe not getting worse. Maybe that's a positive. But their Altera business is going to be pretty bad. And you know, they don't really have an AI like accelerator story that's driving a lot of these other names.
Not getting worse is not what I want to hear. Brian, how's that rash? Well,
yeah,
it's not getting worse.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, like, that's not...
And to be fair, you know, they had this Foundry Day a couple of weeks ago, and my biggest takeaway from that day was come back in 2030. And so, like, it's kind of in no man's land right now. Like,
it's 6 years from now, according to my math.
Exactly, yeah. And, I mean, they said they'll be break-even, you know, on in 27 or 28, and they'll have some better model in 2030, but that's a long ways away. And so at this point, at $35, is it an absolute short? I don't know, although it's back in funding short territory for sure, but it doesn't feel like a long either. And like, I don't exactly know what to do with it anymore.
Well, here's what's weird. I mean, Intel, and I'm not trying to bring politics into it because then you got to take a shower, but let's be clear, they're getting billions from the government, from taxpayers. Well,
sure.
there's no government money. It's the taxpayer money. They're getting billions from taxpayers. Everybody's talking about the CHIPS Act. They should be, in my view, they should be winning. Like, this is the home team. This is the home team.
So they are getting money. Lots of folks are getting money.
Everybody.
It's not just them.
You get a car and you get a car.
But remember, the problems that they're having, they're not solvable by money. You don't throw money at these things and they're magically fixed.
But we are throwing money at them.
Well, exactly. So that's a whole other conversation we can have. But semiconductors, these are the most complicated things that humanity has ever devised, that they've ever built. And you don't just throw money at the problem and magically get fixed. They had money, plenty of money, right? They could have gotten it. They didn't. This stuff is hard, right?
Okay. And I know Pat Gelsinger's talking to John Ford. Seems like a perfectly nice guy. Never met him. But if you had to go back, and Intel's one of the most storied, and by the way, only The Paranoid Survive by Andy Grove is one of the best business books. Anybody, Sully's Book of the Month Club. Read that, and it's from one of the founders of Intel, and they owned it. Intel Inside. If you had to go back and say, where did they botch it?
Yeah, I mean, so the issues that they're having, by the didn't just develop. It's been 10 years in the making. I mean, they started having process technology delays like way back over 10 years ago, 14 nanometers. Their big initiative when Bob Swan, the former CEO, was the CFO, his whole thing was we're going to take OPEX down to 25% of revenue. We're not going to spend. But the numbers were excellent back then, and they were generating tons of cash, and margins were great, and they had a true monopoly kind of position.
They were comfortable.
It was very.
They were the Ford LTD of stocks.
Yeah, they kind of got lazy.
Comfortable, didn't do anything very well.
And then they fell on their face, and it gave AMD and others a chance to close the gap. And there's a lot of changes that they missed. They missed mobile. They missed AI and accelerated compute, and they're paying for it now. And when Pat says it's going to take till 2030, it shouldn't be a surprise. It took 10 years to break it. It's going to take 10 years to fix it. I think it always was.
It was a $67 stock a couple years ago, and it was a $67 stock in the year 2000.
Yes. Yes, it was.
Well, we're watching tonight. Either way, good stuff.
Yeah.
Stacy Rasgon, don't be a stranger. Safe travels back.
Anytime.
Right? I think Morrison said the West is the best.